Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, I will show you what to do if your AirPods won't connect to your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So as you can currently see, my AirPods are in pairing mode, but they don't show up when I search for available Bluetooth device. So first of all, make sure your AirPods are currently not connected to any of the other devices such as your iPhone, Android or your TV. After that, right click on the start icon and then select device manager from the list. Now in the device manager window, you'll need to go ahead and expand Bluetooth section. So double click on Bluetooth. Now here see if you find any AirPods entry. If you do, right click on it and select uninstall device. Now click on uninstall again to confirm. If you see another entry named AirPods, repeat the same process to uninstall it as well. Once you have done that, simply open the Bluetooth settings on your Windows PC. Now make sure there are no AirPods entry here. If you do see them, simply click this three dot icon and then select remove device. Now click on see more devices. Now make sure you don't see any AirPods entry here. If you do see them, make sure to remove them. Finally click on this add device option and then select Bluetooth. Now put your AirPods in pairing mode again. So you will need to press and hold this button on the back until you hear a chime. Once you see this white light blinking, simply wait for your AirPods to show up here. As you can see, mine has shown up finally. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.